In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an expense in QuickBooks Online. Managing your expenses effectively is crucial for maintaining accurate financial records, and sometimes that means removing entries that are no longer needed. Whether it's an error that needs correction or a duplicate entry that should be removed, deleting an expense in QuickBooks Online is a straightforward process, and I'll walk you through it step by step. First, you'll want to begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the QuickBooks Online homepage. Once here, look for the Sign In button, which is typically located at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it. This will lead you to the login page for QuickBooks Online. Next, you'll see an option to choose QuickBooks Online if you're not already directed to it. Simply click on QuickBooks Online to proceed with the login process. Now it's time to enter your credentials. Carefully type in your username and password, ensuring that these are correct to avoid any login issues. Once you have everything entered, click Continue. This will take you to your QuickBooks Online dashboard where all your financial data is stored and managed. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand navigation bar where you'll find various tabs. You'll want to locate the Expenses tab. Once you see it, click on the Expenses tab. Doing so will bring you to a comprehensive list of all the expense transactions that have been logged into the platform. Scroll through your list of expenses to find the specific entry you need to delete. Once you spot the expense you wish to remove, click on that particular expense record. This will open up a detailed view of the transaction. At the bottom of this page, you'll notice a More button. When you're ready, click on More. This will present you with additional options, including the Delete option. Here you have to make the decision to permanently remove the record from your books. Click on Delete and a prompt will appear asking you to confirm your decision to delete the expense. It's important to double check that you've selected the correct transaction and that you really want to go through with this action, because once deleted, this action cannot be undone. If you're sure, go ahead and click on Yes to confirm. And just like that, you've successfully deleted an expense from QuickBooks Online. Remember, managing your finances accurately can make all the difference in understanding your business's financial health. Keep practicing these skills so that QuickBooks becomes an invaluable tool for your accounting needs. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to check out more tips and tricks on managing your finances effectively.